Hey guys, it's Sunday, 3rd of November, and this is my analysis of the majors and the gold pair. Last Friday was NFP, not a big movement across all the pairs. There wasn't any surprising news. It's this last candle here that you see. It's Friday's candle. Okay, we'll start off with the dollar yen. We saw price rejected the supply level on Wednesday. Okay, I've been looking for shorts since the highs here, but it had to push another time to the upside. Okay, and when you zoom in, you'll be able to see the very aggressive rejection, okay, of the supply level. With that being said, my bias is going to be to the downside, okay, from this supply level onwards, okay, from this turn onwards. Price looks like it's still headed lower, potentially testing the demand level here. Okay, that's what I see. What may play out in the following days for the dollar yen. The dollar CAD last Tuesday, price bounced off this demand level. Okay, and in 2 days' time, it's actually moved a lot of pips. Okay, if you see how long it took price to push prices lower, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Okay, 8 days worth of pip movement, 140 pips, and we had the same in 2 days, 140 pips. Okay, these two bullish candles. Okay, but the rejection was also really strong. Okay, of this supply level. I am more biased to the downside when I saw a second rejection here. Okay, first rejection, second rejection. We have to watch and see how price will react in the next few days. But same like the dollar yen, I'm more biased to the downside here. Okay, the Australian dollar. This supply level was taken out. It's basically cleared. Okay, it's out of the way. Looks like it's headed for this upper level. Okay, may not happen in 1 week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, this is the daily time frame. But as of right now, I'm seeing that price will continue its path to the upside. Okay, there might be some pullbacks here, something like this. But overall directional bias is to the upside because we broke through this supply. Okay, prices can either bounce or break a level. Whenever you see a brown rectangle, it means that I'm seeing a potential break because it's no longer holding like the blue rectangles. Okay, the EU bounced off the supply level. This was 2 weeks ago. Okay, it looks like a retracement of this up move, not a reversal. Okay, with that being said, I'm still looking for prices to go higher, at least to test this area further. Okay, before we can confirm a breakout, it's gonna probably push towards this brown rectangle. Yeah, also seeing on the weekly how price has just shot up. It might be on its way to test this area of supply here, the higher one. Okay, but we'll see. It's going to take weeks to play out. NU, the Kiwi dollar, similar to the AU, but not as strong, right? If you remember on the AU, price has went past the brown rectangle. On the NU, it's still playing around in the zone. Okay, it's showing a bearish candle, however, but my bias is still to the upside. So what you may see happening is a slight pullback, and then if I'm correct, then it should head higher. Okay, because it looks to me that this area of resistance or supply will be broken in the next few days. Okay, we'll keep the analysis just for the upcoming week. I can't really forecast anywhere further than that. Okay, GU, it's gonna range for a bit here. Looks like it. After a big trend, price will consolidate. This is a demand level. If price should dip lower, I'll be happy to buy, but it's gonna fall into a range probably. Okay, perhaps a range like this, or maybe a diagonal range, or a flag or a pennant, whatever. Okay, it's slowing down a bit after this massive move to the upside. Okay, but overall bias, since it's a range, then it's going to be a range play. It could be up or down, but on a bigger picture, might make another push to the upside. Okay, so I'm slightly more bullish, although we're sitting on a resistance. The USD CHF, Swiss franc. Okay, price respected this zone here, okay, without even touching it. And if you look at this demand box, it's been tested one, two, three, and it's back in the same area for the fourth time. Okay, so I am seeing a break, a potential break to the downside here, just because a level gets weaker the more times it's been tested. Okay, it's price is not gonna hold, it's not gonna be trapped in the range forever. It's gonna break someday. Okay, and the break I'm seeing is to the downside here for the Swiss franc, dollar franc. Last pair, the gold, it's fallen into some kind of a range here after the big trend. I am bullish. I'm seeing a trend continuation to the upside, okay? At least to test the highs first over here. You can see that price started to fall into a range, okay, when the lows here were broken. It's just been trapped basically, but the highs here kind of surpassed this high, still lower than this high. Okay, I'm seeing this level still hold here, this demand level. So yeah, bias to the upside for gold, okay, in the next few days. Okay guys, that's gonna end it for the analysis. Good luck in your trading for the upcoming week. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. If you find the video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, talk to you later. Bye bye.